Chinaplas 2025, the world's leading plastics and rubber trade fair, brings together over 4,000 global enterprises and hundreds of thousands of professional visitors. As one of Vietnam's top plastic packaging manufacturers, HAPLAST Group is proud to be part of this global journey, marking a significant milestone in our international integration. Led by Chairwoman, a woman of sustainable vision and relentless innovation, alongside 4 core members of the executive team, HAPLAST introduces a strategic product line at this year's event. From heavy-duty industrial trash bags and certified food-safe bags, to retail shopping bags and eco-friendly packaging solutions. Visitors at the HAPLAST booth not only experience our products firsthand, but also learn about our integrated production process, from raw materials to strict quality control. Throughout the 4-day exhibition, HAPLAST welcomed hundreds of international guests from across continents, exchanging insights on trade opportunities, green technologies, and shared commitments to sustainable development. Chinaplas 2025 marks a key milestone in HAPLAST's journey. See you at Chinaplas 2026.